What's up, everybody? It's your boy EgyptGodAnubis here, and we are back for some more of these reactions. So this time, we bringing 2 in 1. That's right, we are bringing Gordon Ramsay versus Vegeta from Dragon Ball Z. Yeah, that's right. This is about to be out the chain. As you can tell already, Vegeta gonna be cooking. This is about to be out the chain. With that being said, let's hop into this thing.
Vegeta's world-famous gourmet rice omelet.
You're a great fucking talker, but you're a shit cook. Put your fucking tongue in and concentrate.
Yes, sir.
Oh my god. What are we waiting on? Come on! Hurry up! You fucking dick!
You can do this. Fingertips only.
Oh, come on! What's wrong with you? Take one good look at yourself in the mirror. Because it's a fucking disgrace. Right now, or fuck off! That's the lowest of the lowest.
Gently, holding a child.
Fucking donkey! One more. One more. Look! Look! What the fuck is that? I can't do this. I cannot do this any fucking more. I can't do it anymore. It's not fair on fucking me, but it's not fair on them.
Oh my goodness.
Fuck off.
Oh my goodness. So there you go, everybody. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Man, this was out the chain. Whoever made this, you have to make more. This was funny. I enjoyed it. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, leave some thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more videos. Man, I'm about to get off this thing to the next one. Peace.